Hello everyone, in this video we are going to go through CSS box model, and for this video I'm going to use VS Code as my code editor. And if you need to learn more about VS Code, you can watch my videos and find the links in the description below. And we have got this index.html, and let me show you what we have in this web page. Alright, in CSS, the term box model is used when talking about design and layout. The CSS box model is essentially a box model that wraps around every HTML element. It consists of margins, borders, padding, and the actual content. And let me give you an example here. I'm gonna add here a paragraph tag, and inside paragraph I'm gonna add some lorem. It's safe, and let's right click here and click inspect to open Chrome DevTools. And if you need to learn more about this tool, you can watch my videos and find the links in the description below. And let me drag this up, and inside this sidebar under styles tab you see this box here, and it provides some visual information about this element which is selected right here. And this blue area is our content. Then we have got padding, border, and margin. As I hover over, you'll see the highlight area. Let me add some border here and some padding. Inside head tag I'm gonna add style tag, and within a style tag I'm gonna give a reference of our paragraph tag followed by curly braces, and I'm gonna give here a border of 2 pixels solid and blue. I'm also gonna give it a padding of 5 pixels. Hit save. Now we have got 16 pixels margin, 2 pixel border, and 5 pixels padding. Then we have 1036.670 into 36 by 36, this element. This is the width and height of this element. Then we have got padding here, and as I hover over, the area is also highlighted here. Then we have border and margin. Alright, let me get rid of it, and I'm gonna add in here, let's delete this for now, or I'm gonna reduce it a bit, say here. Alright, and I'm gonna add in here image tag, and I have an image here, pattern1.jpg, and I'm gonna give it source pattern1. It's safe, it's too big. Let's make it width of 200 and height 200. It's safe. Let's make it 300 by 300. It's safe. And now I'm gonna delete some code from here. It's safe. And now if you want to have this element to be 300 pixels wide, let's make it first. I'm gonna type in here width to be 350 pixels, and if you also want to have a margin of 2 pixels and border of say 10 pixels, solid red, and if you also want to have a padding of 10 pixels, see what we have now. This image is 300 pixels wide, and if you also want to make this element to be 300 pixels wide but is still larger than this image, even though both the elements has got same width. So what's the issue here? How can you make this element as wide as this image? You have got margin here, as well as you have got border, as well as you have got padding. Now this element is not 300 pixels wide. Let's add 300 plus 2, 302, and then 10 pixels for border, 312, and then padding for 10 pixels, 322. So this element calculates 322 pixels wide. So always consider these numbers when you are specifying the width of an element. And now if you want to make this element to be as wide as this image, let's open Chrome DevTools, and from here I'm gonna reduce the width of this element. Alright, that looks perfect. And I'm gonna copy this number from here, get rid of this, and I'm gonna paste it here. It's saved. Now both the elements have same width. And that ends the video here. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.